This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change or select the signal lost action or the behavior of your drone once the connection with the remote controller is lost. So let's start. First, make sure that everything is switched on and interconnected. Now, while in the DJI Fly or Fly mode, Fly interface, open settings by tapping at those three dots. Now, at the very top, you'll need to select the safety category, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and enter the advanced safety settings. Here you will find the signal loss action selection, so you can make it so that once the signal between RC and aircraft is broken, the drone will automatically RTH or return to home, simply descend and land, right? Yep. Or simply hover wherever the signal has been lost. So it will hover until the battery runs dry, and we'll just wait for you to reestablish the signal perhaps. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.